Hey, welcome back to Berlin Grills. Come and smoke with us today. We're gonna have these baby back ribs.
We're gonna keep the Traeger at 275 for this whole cook. We're gonna take a look at these in an hour and spritz them. And then we've also got this tray of water just to add more moisture into the entire cook.
So we've had this on for 45 minutes, and now we're gonna slather it up with some barbecue sauce, spritz it, give it another 15 minutes of cooking time while it sets.
All right, our next step here is we're gonna put more barbecue sauce on, and we're gonna spritz it, and then we're gonna flip it over and do the exact same thing again, and then we're gonna wrap it up in 2 layers of butcher paper, and we're gonna keep that meat side down. We're gonna put that back on the smoker for about another hour and a half to 2 hours until we hit temperature. It's been about an hour and 45 minutes, and it's time to take these off. Put her down. We've been letting these rest for about 10 minutes, and now we're gonna open them up.
That's what I like to see. Holy cow.
All right,
right off the bone.
that was delicious. Oh, good job, Dad.
Good job, baby. This is good. Thanks for watching. Enjoy this meal, and we'll catch you on the next one later.
Boom, mic drop. All right, let's eat. That was perfect.